In previous sections of this course, we learnt about layout properties and page setups. You apply these to your layouts in order for you to plot your layouts. Now, if I just click on the GA1 to 30 layout there in our drawing, and I right click now, and I go to plot, what you'll find is it's already using a page setup called ISO A3 sheet there at the top. But I can also apply any other settings I want as well, any other page setups that are there. Let me just cancel that and show you what I mean. If I right click on the GA1 to 30 and go to Page Setup Manager, you can see that GA1 to 30 there is currently using the ISO A3 sheet, the current page setup. I could change that if I wanted to. I don't have to use that page setup. However, it's the only one I've got in this drawing. So it's obviously going to be the one I'm going to use. I'll just close that for a moment. So it's a right click over the tab and I go to plot there and it uses the page setup that is set up for the layout. There's all the settings. If I preview that now, there's my drawing. And as you can see, it's all done in monochrome as per the settings in the ISO A3 sheet page setup. If I now right click and exit that, it takes me back to the plot dialog box. Let me just cancel that for a moment. If I go up to the top of the screen here, into the ribbon and click on the Output tab, I can also plot from the Plot panel. There's the Page Setup Manager, so if I click there, there's my Page Setup Manager. So I can use the ribbon to plot. I don't have to right-click on the tabs at the bottom of the screen. If I click on Plot there, same process, Preview, and I get the preview, and I can right-click and exit. And it takes me back to the dialog box and I click on cancel. So as you can see there, it's very easy to plot. I can do that with door 1 to 10 there as well. If I go to plot, like so, I can preview there. And as you can see, there's the preview of my door 1 to 10 layout tab. I right click and I exit. I'll just cancel that for a moment. There's a very cool tool in the plot panel on the output tab. Preview. Takes me straight to a preview. If I right click and exit, I don't get that plot dialog box getting in the way. So I can go straight to preview there, like so, right click and I can exit the preview. It's also on the application menu. If I click on the flyout here and I go to print, like so, you'll see I've got a plot preview there. Does exactly the same thing. Right click, exit, takes me back into the drawing. So as you can see, plotting layouts is very quick and very easy, providing you've set up your layout properties and your page setups previously. Always make sure you've got a page setup and a layout property that works with your title blocks in your drawing. Always good to have everything to fit. You'll notice the border there of my AutoCAD title block fits within those dashed lines, which are the printer limits. So everything within those dashed lines will plot. This outline here I don't need to worry about. That is purely my sheet size that I utilised to create the title block in the first place. So make sure page setups, layout properties are set, and then you can plot straight away from your layout tabs in your drawing.